Kakenhuan senrap ki MDC ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council mentagas ngi sajan kilai kendu ya ulat kajela usat tiapal malik ban pen I ya gajing bun pai na ka benta ban yo thau ya ka executive committee bathamai ha GHADC ya kani kakenhuan senrap bayalam khmat dak NPP latip daga Garo Hills Democratic Coalition balatarwa ya ka kerteng jong Benedict R Marak ubadai UMDC MLA karak samgre banlong kum chief executive member katba unikman marak ubadai UMDC Marway ka GNC kum deputy chief executive member bat ka jingjiet yo chairman ka council on penlong ha kasngining kong khat khandai tering ya kani ka kanhuan mentagasngi layalam da menteri rangba ukonrat konggal sangma ubadai ru president ka National People's Party bat ki khat sangut ki MDC ki kenthom khat wengut na ka NPP laingut ki independent bat wei GNC katba ki MDC ka BJP kimshim ladon satya watla ka BJP ka badai ka seng basenrop lang ha ka sarkar MDA kalapan pa we ka jingkwa bandan mentalang ha ka executive committee kumbalong ha ka sarkar.
Yes, we had just as a formality we had met the Honorable Governor this morning. Though it's not part of the constitutional requirement as such, but we just thought it would be a courtesy call and an opportunity for the members to meet and show the numbers to the Honorable Governor. So we have 11 from NPP, 1 from GNC and 3 independents who are supporting this alliance and this coalition. We are calling this coalition the Garo Hills Democratic Coalition, GHDC. We have 15 members right now in this coalition, and which is enough to win the chairmanship election as well as the CM election. I'm also happy to inform you that in the morning we had a detailed meeting where we had discussed on 2-3 agendas. First agenda was of course the leadership, and we were unanimously the MDCs have decided and elected Mr. Benedict Marak, who is here on my right, who is the MLA and the MDC of Raksamgri, as the new CEM. He will be the CEM candidate of the GHDC. At the same time, we have also decided that the MDC from Rongurkham constituency, which is Chokpot area, Mr. Unikman Marak, will be the deputy CEM of the council. And it was also unanimously decided that Mr. Rakesh Sangma will be the chairman of the Autonomous District Council. So this decision was taken in the morning. At the same time, we also have decided, since there are political parties from different political groups, there are different independents who have joined us, and each of them have fought the election on their own points and on their own ideologies. So it is important to bring the importance of the coalition together. It is important to have a common minimum program, and therefore the MDC sat down and an 8-point agenda was worked out where different inputs were given by independents, by the GNC and by the NPP, and based on that this common minimum program agenda has been finalized. So that also we will be sharing it shortly with the press. There are too many points for me to repeat. So those were the points that were made. At the same time, the Governor has called for the election of the chairman on Monday at 11 AM. So the chairman election will be held on that day, and we are very confident that the GHDC alliance, which has 11 from the NPP, 1 from the GNC and 3 independents, will win the election of the GHDC.